Hey y'all, it's Tracy here. I thought I would do an unboxing. This is my first time getting signing up for Grove. What is it? I know there was another word to it, I think. Okay, Grove Home. So I looked at it in the past and just wasn't ready to do it. And then I saw that they were giving away a really nice set if you just spend $20. I don't know how long that special is, if it's just something they always do. So I kept my out of pocket close to 20, I think, with tax and ship. Well, with tax it was like 23 maybe, and it's free shipping. This special was free shipping also, and something else got added to my cart that was free also, so that I wasn't expecting. So I thought I would do an unboxing and show you, and then I'm gonna put a referral code down in the description box or in the comment box, depending on where you're watching this, or it might be just on my blog. And so if you want to sign up for something like this, use my referral code. I will get credit for that. Excuse me. I think I get $10 credit, and I assume you would too if you sign up with Grove. Now here I haven't. Now here's my understanding. Okay. I believe it's a subscription service, and but you have options to subscribe for things like every 3 months and that sort of thing. I won't need stuff probably every month. I don't know if I have to buy something every month. I do think you can quit anytime you want, so it's just something to look into. But some of the prices, I'm trying to think. I think some of the prices were competitive, if not better, maybe than where I would get it elsewhere. So it's definitely worth looking into, especially if they give you free stuff, So stuff that you'll use. So let's see here. Okay, so here's my box. And I'll show you what I actually paid for. Let's see here. Okay, so what I bought. Oh, that's not it. Hang on here. So what wasn't free was I got the facial cleansing towelettes from Burt's Bees, so I paid for those. And I bought new dryer balls. I use dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. I just use the wool balls because I've been trying to get away from chemicals, over the years. So, anyways, my dryer balls I've had since maybe 2015, and one of the cats has enjoyed playing with some of them, one or more of them, and they're just really, some of them are just kind of getting ratty, one or two of them at least maybe. So I figured I would go ahead and buy some through, since I had to buy something anyway. So that's what I paid for, okay? And everything else is free. It was free for this. So the kit, let's see, a 16-ounce spray bottle. Well, I think this is what, let me look here. Well, you know what, let me just put it here first. Spray bottle, my dish soap, and I got to pick the scent I wanted. Actually, I think, let me look here. Oh, okay, so I got, so dish soap, hand soap, Mrs. Meyer's too. I know my computer's kind of up there. So Mrs. Meyer's. I picked the, I think it's the orange multi-surface cleaner. Let me plug this down a little bit for you. Walnut scrubber sponge. Actually, I think there's two in there. Yeah, I think there's two. something there I've got to look at. And, okay, the glass cleaner. I believe that these two were the extra bonus items I got for some reason. And then my caddies. And there was actually a choice of caddies. There was gray. I think this is the matte white. And one was just maybe a white. So there's that. Put my stuff that came in it. This was the original thing that got my interest. And then this was another freebie I got. Let's see. Okay. I believe this is a glass bottle too, and because I knew I wanted, I needed to get another bottle anyways, and I wasn't sure where I was going to get it from, and then the timing was just perfect with this. Let's check this out. So I got this for free also. Look at that. Because I also use, I'm a Young Living essential oil distributor also, and I have the Thieves Cleaner, and the cheap plastic bottle I've been using just isn't doing a very good job with the spraying, so I was thinking about getting a glass bottle, so now I have a glass bottle. And here's the glass cleaner. It's called Orange and Rosemary Concentrate, so if I want to use that I can. This has a nice rubber base, so yeah, this was a really good deal. Like I said, I paid maybe $23 out of pocket, and all of this was free. All that. And so anyways, I'm going to try it out, and then I'm going to, I went back in. This is something that you just need to know. So, I went back into my account and just made sure that I wasn't going to be shipped a bunch of stuff that I wasn't expecting. Okay, so like if you want to do this, because some people who have already been down this road told me about this. You want to go back into your account. Just make sure that nothing's showing in there that they might automatically send you. You need to actually go into your account. Okay, and don't just do there were some things I could click on at the bottom. That didn't necessarily transfer over to my account as far as I know, so I made sure I went into my account and only had like a few things in there that I thought I wanted to get. And I think I set it up to send out in 3 months. Now, I don't know yet if I have to have anything on a monthly basis or what, but maybe I'll do a follow-up video once I get more into that, okay? And that's it. So, if you want to check it out, use my referral code. I'll have it in the description or in the comment section, or in the description or in the status area and on my blog. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.